It's been a different type of performance for Johnny Depp. 6 weeks in a Virginia courtroom and 7 jury members won over. His name has been cleared, he says. The decision that he had been defamed by his former wife, Amber Heard. But her lawyer says she will appeal the verdict.
You know, one of the first things she said is, "I am so sorry to all those women out there. This is a setback for all women in and outside the courtroom." And she feels the burden of that.
Beneath the celebrity circus, this trial has addressed serious issues. Allegations of physical, emotional and sexual violence. Domestic abuse survivors say the reaction to Amber Heard has carried undertones of misogyny, a vilification, they say, which could deter victims from reporting domestic abuse.
I would say that some victims probably will be reserved in coming forward and saying anything. When I first heard of what was on full display with social media and the backlashes that she was receiving and how she was unbelieved, it took me back to where I once was, where she was. And there were some trigger points there.
The court's decision may have gone Depp's way, but the portrait of him played out of drug abuse, heavy drinking and violent rows cast doubt on his ability to return to Hollywood's A-list.
In showbiz, they have to analyze to what extent there will be a backlash if they cast Johnny, regardless of what the jury decided yesterday. And if the women who don't want this to be the end of the Me Too movement are about to pounce on the first producers who consider starring Depp in a major movie.
Amber Heard says she can't afford to pay Johnny Depp the more than $10 million in damages. Their own personal legal battle continues. Its ramifications extend far beyond this Virginia courthouse. Martha Kellner, Sky News, Virginia.